Okay, this is what Plumbers redoing a handyman special. Twice as much work because the handyman came in here. Tried to use that wax seal and flange. Toilet was loose. Top part's even wiggling all over the place. This flange, we had to peel this fitting, break out this glue joint, and glue on a new flange. So now it's nice and secure, so we can sit the toilet, tighten it all down correctly, shim it as needed. But we had to bust that out of here. The other things we had to do is put in a new spout. This was completely gone, so we had to chip that out of there, and we put in a little rebuild kit as well. Pop-up was not installed with plumber's putty, so it will leak. That's an issue. The trip waste wasn't hooked up. Right here's that drain shoe that we had to beat out of there. So this is all in the guest bathroom. This is what we're doing. I'm going to complete that part next. Walk over here to the kitchen, and they had this in backwards. The drain was coming out the front, weird angle. They had the dishwasher hose going into there, which will mount up so it don't go backwards down. But we'll mount this up here. We're not complete here. Had to put a new end waste in, redo the disposal, knock this out so we could put the dishwasher into that, so it's more of a proper hookup. It was leaking down there, and now we have it where it's actually the right way. They put a 90 on this going backwards and whatnot, so that's the kitchen issue. In the other bathroom, another issue with the toilet as well, and we're working on this pop-up. They didn't install with the plumber's plenty of the handyman. This loose as well, so a little bit more of the same, just a mess in what they've done, and I'm right in the middle of the job.